Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and money management tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to sign up for Copilot Money, a fantastic app designed to help you track your spending, set budgets, and achieve your financial goals. If you're tired of spreadsheets and manual tracking, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Let's get started. First things first, what is Copilot Money? It's a user-friendly app that connects to your bank accounts, categorizes transactions, and gives you real-time insights into your finances. Signing up is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. To begin, grab your smartphone or head to your computer. Open your preferred web browser or app store. It's available on iOS, Android, and as a web app. Step 1. Go to the Copilot Money website at copilotmoney.com or search for it in your app store. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. It's usually front and center. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's one you check regularly, as you'll need to verify it later. Step 2. Create a secure password. Aim for something strong. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. After that, you'll fill out a quick form with basic details like your name and possibly a phone number for two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security. Next, verify your email. Check your inbox for a confirmation link from Copilot Money and click it to activate your account. This step is crucial, so don't skip it. Once verified, you'll be asked to link your bank accounts. Don't worry, it's secure and uses bank-level encryption. Pro tip: if you're new to this, start by exploring the app's demo mode before linking everything. This way, you can get familiar with the features without committing right away. And just like that, you're in. Now, you can customize your dashboard, set up budgets, and start tracking your money. Copilot Money is a game changer for anyone looking to take control of their finances. If you run into any issues, their support team is top-notch. Just check the help section in the app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. What's your biggest money management challenge? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.